horse came a Lone Ranger, a look of fire in his eyes. He was no stranger to danger, a loaded weapon on his side. He's been searching for a bad, bad man who shot another man down. And he's been searching for a couple years now, and heard the killer was in town. Now Jimmy was an outcast, turned into an outlaw. Bought himself a gun, then he went and robbed the liquor store. Running with his friends, drinking gin, shooting bullets in the wind, raping women, killing men. Riding on his horse till the sun come down, and he just got the word there's a sheriff in town, looking to collect the bounty on his head. Yeah, the streets is watching, the town is talking. There's a sheriff searching for the killer lurking. The streets is watching and the town is talking, 'cause there's a sheriff searching for the killer lurking. There is a killer amongst us. There is a killer amongst us. Watch your back now.